There's nothing happening there right now. It was up at around 150 when it stopped. Whew. Okay. All right, let's see what she goes up to this time. $152. Seems we've maxed out at 152. It looks like it's maxed out at 152. Oh, there we go, 153. I may have to stop because, oh no, maybe not. I was hoping this cup would hold 24 ounces. Okay, 153 is what it maxed out at. And I guess you want us to do it again. So we'll do that again, I guess. I'll try to follow whatever you asked for in your description.